Welcome back, viewers. In this video we are going to work on user login. In previous video we had registered 2 users and displayed the users here, and then we inserted another user. Now we have 3 users. So in this video we will log user in. We will learn how to log in user using PHP, OOP and video. So let's start. First I will create here one method. This will be a public method function, and here I will name it login. I will pass here 3 arguments. One will be table, second one will be email, and third one will be password. Okay, I will bring it here. So then I will query be equal to this db, then prepare, and here select all from this table variable we give now, then where email inside our database table email, this will be equal to this email. This is a placeholder. So then we have to execute this query, write the query name, then execute, and then we will pass this email here as an array. This array we will assign here email, then equal to this email with $sign email, and here is a colon and then email. So then I have to fetch the record. We'll create here one row, and so be equal to query of, then we have to fetch this record with PDO, and here will be fetch underscore assoc, and then here I will give one if condition, if row, and the row is also array, so this will be is array, and is array inside we will pass this row to make sure if this row is not empty and it is also an array, then we are going to do verify the password. If password verify, this one is first we will pass this password which user will provide, and the second will be here in our database password row password, and then will be return this row. And also we will pass here some sessions to assign user, so then user can log in. So here will be session, give the session of user ID, will assign this one to the row ID. Then second session I will just pass here another session. This will be session of login, so I will make it true. If this condition is not true, then what we have to do, I will just come simply here, write else. That means if user doesn't exist, then I will just come here, I will make here one session and assign this session as messages, and I will equal this one to the this email address doesn't exist. So simply this message, and then I will just do this header location to send him back to login page. So we will create login page in a moment. Then I will just come copy this one. If we have a user we check, then we check this verify password. If password is wrong, I will create another else. So this will show the users you entered wrong password. So I will just delete this message and make one message name will be wrong password, try again. So simply this message. So we are not going to make a big statement here. So we are done from here. Now I will come here in action.php. So here will be, we have here only one, this is insert. So if you see here, this if is ending here. So I will simply give one else if we have this is set, same will be post, and here I will assign the login. So we will create these all in a moment. If is set login, if is set submit, then it will come here. Else if is set login, then we will work here. I will first create variable of email. I will assign this post email to it, and second I will create here password, and I will create this one also with post password. Here will be password, then I will create one variable just login. I will assign this one to the db login method which we made just, and then here I will pass this table name and then email, then password. So if we have, then I will just simply say if login are going to do, header location will go to the index.php. So we are done from here now with a small condition. If we this is true, then we are going to there, and other things mostly are made here. So what I can do, I will just come here to make the file of login.php. So I will come here in bootstrap. First thing will be here. I will come to start and then take this and paste it here. This hello world will be login. This hello world we don't need. Here I will first create this container, and inside the container will be row, and the inside the row I will create here dev call md3. I will create here 3, and this one will be 6, other two will be 3. So first I will give it one shadow, and then p be padding from bottom 5, and then I will come again to the bootstrap component, and here I will look for form. I will just copy this first form. So we have email address, password, and paste it here. So first thing we have to do here, method, this will be equal to post, and second thing will be here, we have to give name this email, and this will be email. I will remove this words we don't need, and I will also remove this check me out, so we don't need. Second thing will be here, I will give name this password, this name will be also password. So I will give a name to this button because we gave the condition there, this was login if is set login, and this name will be also login. And then before the post, I will create here one h3 tag. So this will be login as the logo there. So I will give it a class. First will be bg of info, and text will be white, and text will be in center, also padding 2. So now let's see how it is looking, our login page. So come to here in home page. I will just sign here login.php. So now you can see this. For me, it's looking fine. So first thing will be here, I will start here PHP and close the PHP. This PHP, first we have to start session. Then I will include this action.php, and then I will come here, just one small thing I have to do. I come here before doing anything. So PHP close. What I can do, if not empty, I will come here to get this session. So if the session is not empty, then we will display the session here, this message, so we can get the message there. And then I will just come here unset. After one, then we will remove this session from here, and the first thing will be here, I have to echo and close this echo here. What I can do, copy and paste this one here. So text will be danger, and this will be h4, and here come and break this, and here will be our this session message. And I will cut this h2 from here, else if this session is empty, then I will do echo again this and here. So now let's try how things are working. So first we come here. Okay, nothing is changed, so that means our this part is working. So first I will try here 37 of prepare function. Okay, let's see. 37. So this should be DB, not DD. Spelling mistake. The name here will be DB, not DD. So now, and come here, see again, undefined method, video statement, fetch 29. This one has also the spelling mistake. Now let's see. Test. And here we go. We are successfully logged in. If I go to login, type here this and some other password, what we get, we are not logged in, but this message is also not working. Okay, let me see why this message is not working. In login, if not empty message, unset the message. I will come here, just comment it out. Let's see. No, this should be a wrong password now. So now you can see here we have this message, wrong password. I guess we don't need this bg color info, is not looking good, and the unset message should work. So now if I come here, some gibberish. Okay, why it's not working? Answer session is making problem. I guess it is unsetting the session before the echo. What we can do, we will use some technique to handle this problem. I will just come here, set one another session inside the if, and this will be session. I will give the name of this session just counter. I will make it plus equal 1, and then I will give here one if statement. If session of counter, if this session is greater than 1, we will unset this session. And I will come here, close this if, and we will also unset this counter session, and this we are going to unset these two sessions. So now let's see how it is working. Let's try. If I come here, put some wrong password, okay, you can see now we have here. If I refresh the page, I come here, and if I do some like, and this email address doesn't exist, so you can see here now it's working fine. If I refresh, so if I come here with correct password and I am logging here, it's working fine now. We use this technique here. We set here another session of counter, because the next time when we refresh it will be 2, then it's greater than 1, then we will unset the session. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.